Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel My Research Support. So friends, few months before I had prepared one video regarding removed journals from Scopus. I have preferred journal the Scopus website and I have downloaded the discontinued sources of these journals. But still many research scholars have asked or raised few questions regarding, sir, you are saying the journal is discontinued, but still on their particular journal homepage and on the Scopus website also it is displayed that it is still there in the Scopus. But then we wrote an email to the Scopus team and we got replied that the Scopus used to update the journal list twice in the year, first in March or April and second in the month of September and October. So right now this is September and around 49 journals in this current 2 months, 49 journals are removed from the Scopus. So first of all we'll be discussing about these names of these journals, and then probably we'll turn towards how to download these discontinued sources from the Scopus website. So this is the list I am having, which includes all the sources of discontinued list. So we'll be discussing the names of these sources or journals. Those have been recently removed or within these 2 months these journals have removed. See, the journals which have been indicated with this yellow shading, those are, here you can see these journals are newly added and those have been highlighted. So the first journal is ABP Review. Along with the journal, why these journals are particularly removed from the Scopus database, the reasons have also mentioned here in this column. As you will be able to see, maybe the reasons may be because of this publication concern, metrics, radar, any malfunctioning which has been occurred at the time of publication. So the first is ABP Review. See, all these journals are shaded with the yellow color. Then you have to just scroll down, analyze the documentation. Then Asia Life Sciences. Then the next journal is Bulletin the Association the Geographs Francis. Then Chemistry Engineering Progress, Chung Cheng Ling Siu Pao. Then Computer Methods in Materials Science. Then Caudernos Divinda y Urbancino, Dyna, Economista. Then Space Geographic. Then Ethne Biology Letters. Then European Journal of Electrical Engineering. Then European Journal of Palliative Care, GIM International. Then International Journal of Advanced Science and Technology, International Journal of Control and Automation. Then International Journal of Diversity in Organization, Communities and Nations. Then International Journal of Economics and Business Administration, International Journal of Innovation, Creativity and Change, International Journal of Mechanical and Mechanics Engineering, International Journal of Mechanical and Production Engineering Research. This journal has removed on 10th of September. International Journal of Psychosocial Rehabilitation. Then International Journal of Scientific and Technology Research. This has been removed in August, in the month of August. International Journal of Wine Research. International Journal of Emerging Technology. This has been removed at the end of July. International Journal of Microbiology. Journal of Advanced Research in Dynamical and Control Systems. Journal of Advanced Research in Law and Economics. Then Journal of Critical Reviews. This is also removed in this month only, September. It was under investigation for around 2 to 3 months under Scopus investigation, and finally it is removed. Journal of Manufacturing Research. Journal of Polymer Materials. Journal of Probability and Statistics. Journal of Solid Mechanics. Journal of Indian Academy of Applied Psychology. Lowland Technology International, then Cordons the I Institute, Ketla the Anthropologia, then Russian Journal of Biopharmaceuticals, Russian Journal of Criminology, Space Culture and Culture India, Studici Sersatiri Scientific Biotechnology is a biotechnology journal which has been removed. Runschau SWS publisher, Talent Development and Excellence, Test Engineering and Management, this is also removed. Tijarit ur Ginish Kunde, this journal is also removed. This is Erziehung and Socialization. Then ZFW, Geoinformation and Land Management Journal, this is also removed. So these are the discontinued sources of journals from Scopus in this September 2020. So friends, if you are stuck for any particular journal and you wanted to get an information about whether that journal is there in current date, it is there in the Scopus or not, then the best way to identify about that particular journal is you have to write an email mentioning that particular journal name to the Scopus, and definitely you will get a reply from Scopus in 24 hours, and you will get the current status of that particular journal, whether that journal is there in the Scopus in the current date or not. And I think this is the best way to identify the journal. And even if you are searching for the particular list, if you are getting the list from your friends, from your colleagues, then also we cannot say that list is updated for today's date. It may be updated 1 month before, 2 months before, 3 months before. So even if you are referring those lists, you will not be assured that in current date or the status of that particular journal is in Scopus for this current date. And now we will see how to download these discontinued sources of list, and even the list of sources, those are in this Scopus database. You can just click on the link that I have provided in this video description, or rather you can search on this search engine as Scopus content or Scopus content elsewhere, and then you have to click on this first link, content, where you'll be able to download all these lists. So you have to just scroll down, and so here you will be able to download content coverage guide, and in the last part probably you will be able to download the source title list in the current date, which are the journal, those are there in the Scopus database, or download the book title link, or you can download this discontinued sources from Scopus. This is the list updated by Scopus in this month only, September month. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I have provided the Scopus support email ID and the link to download this list in this video description. Please refer to that. And I hope you like this information and video. If you do have any questions, please write me in the comment box. I'll try to answer all these questions. So we'll see you in my next video. Thank you.